How to open the Experian credit card report that has been password protected. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, you are required to download your Experian credit report. For this, you can open any of your preferred browser and request your Experian credit report. It should be available for download for free. After downloading, it will prompt you to password to open the PDF file. Locate the password. The password is usually structured using personal information from your Experian account. So the password should consist of the first 4 letters of the first name as registered to your Experian account and the last 4 digits of your mobile number, the one associated with your Experian account. After downloading the PDF, enter the password. Once that is done, you should be able to access your Experian credit report. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.